Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you honest reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into what I believe is the best water pitcher for plants, the Chapin 2-gallon watering can. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a newbie just getting started, this watering can is a game changer for keeping your indoor and outdoor plants healthy and thriving. First off, let's talk about the build quality. This watering can is made from 100% recycled polymer, so it's eco-friendly, durable, and lightweight. Not only are you helping the environment by reducing waste, but you're also getting a product that's built to last. The Chapin 2-gallon watering can weighs just 1.2 pounds, making it easy to carry, even when it's full of water. One of the standout features of this watering can is the TrueStream technology, which gives you an even, controlled flow of water. No more awkward drips or puddles of water spilling all over your plants. The precision flow shower nozzle ensures a gentle, steady stream that's perfect for delicate flowers or your indoor herbs. And if you're dealing with hanging plants, the even flow makes it much easier to water without worrying about splashes. Another great thing about this watering can is its detachable, drip-free sprinkler head. The rubber gasket inside the shower head prevents any leaks, so you don't waste any water or fertilizer. If you've ever dealt with a watering can that constantly leaks, you know how frustrating that can be. Thankfully, with the Chapin, this is a problem of the past. The Chapin 2-gallon watering can is designed with convenience in mind. It fits easily under most faucets, so refilling it is a breeze. Whether you keep it under your kitchen sink or in the shed, you won't have to struggle to find a spot for it. Plus, the shower head is removable and easy to clean, so maintaining the can is simple and hassle-free. And here's something I really love. This product is proudly made in the USA. The Chapin team, based in Batavia, New York, designs and manufactures all their products with care. They also offer top-notch customer service, should you need any help with your watering can. So if you're looking for a reliable, eco-friendly, and easy-to-use watering can that makes plant care a breeze, the Chapin 2-gallon watering can is the one for you. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor plants and will help ensure that your green friends stay hydrated without any fuss. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on more great reviews like this one. Happy gardening!